Title: The Persian Wars. Greece's fight for freedom. Please subscribe to the channel so we can continue, please. In a vast expanse of ancient history, the Persian Empire emerged as a formidable force. Under the leadership of Cyrus the Great, the empire expanded from the Indus Valley in the east of Thrace in the northwest. This rise set the stage for the eventual conflict with the Greek city-states. The Persians, with their riches and vast armies, posed a threat to the autonomy of Greece. The seeds of the Persian Wars were planted in Ionia, a region filled with Greeks living under Persian rule. In 499 BCE, the Ionian cities, with support from mainland Greece, revolted against Persian control. The revolt was ultimately suppressed, but it lit a flame of resistance among the Greeks, signaling the beginning of turbulent times. Clip 3. Darius's invasion following the Ionian revolt. King Darius I of Persia sought to bring Greece under his control. In 490 BCE, his forces crossed the Aegean Sea, landing on the plains of Marathon. This marked the beginning of the first Persian invasion of Greece, a pivotal moment in Greco-Persian relations. At Marathon, a small Greek force faced the might of the Persian army. Despite being vastly outnumbered, the Greeks, led by General Miltiades, used strategic brilliance to achieve a decisive victory. The triumph at Marathon instilled confidence in Greece and marked the first major defeat of Persia. Clip 5. The interwar period after the Battle of Marathon. A decade of relative peace followed. During this time, both the Greeks and Persians prepared for future conflicts. The Greek city-states, particularly Athens, bolstered their military capabilities, anticipating another Persian attempt at conquest. Clip 6. Xerxes' ascension. The peaceful interlude was shattered when Xerxes, son of Darius, ascended to the throne. Unlike his father, Xerxes was determined to avenge Persian defeats. He amassed one of the largest armies in the ancient world, setting his sights firmly on Greece. Clip 7. The Hellespont Bridge. To show the might of his empire, Xerxes sought to cross the Hellespont. In a feat of engineering, he constructed a bridge made of ships and marched his colossal army into Europe. This dramatic crossing symbolized the Persian Empire's determination to conquer Greece. Clip 8. The Greek alliance. Facing the looming threat from Persia, the Greek city-states realized they must unite. In a historic act of cooperation, rival states such as Athens and Sparta set aside their differences and formed a formidable alliance to defend their freedom. Clip 9. The Battle of Thermopylae. The narrow pass of Thermopylae became the stage for one of history's most famous last stands. King Leonidas of Sparta and his 300 elite soldiers, along with allied Greek forces, held off Xerxes' vast army for 3 days, exemplifying courage and sacrifice. Clip 10. The naval battle of Artemisium. Simultaneously with Thermopylae, the Greek navy engaged Persian ships at Artemisium. Although the battle was indecisive, it delayed the Persian navy, contributing to the Greek strategy of buying time and engaging in tactical withdrawal. Clip 11. The oracle at Delphi. Greek leaders often sought guidance from gods. Before the invasion, they turned to the oracle of Delphi, who delivered riddles and prophecies. The enigmatic predictions played a significant role in Greek morale and strategic planning. Clip 12. The sack of Athens. Despite the gallant efforts of Thermopylae and Artemisium, the Persians advanced. Athens was evacuated, and the city was overrun and burned by the Persian invaders, marking a critical and humbling moment for the Greeks. Clip 13. The Battle of Salamis. In the waters near the island of Salamis, the Greek and Persian fleets clashed in a naval battle. The Greeks, utilizing cunning tactics and intimate knowledge of the local waters, destroyed significant numbers of Persian ships, turning the tide of war. Clip 14. The retreat at Mycale. Following the setback at Salamis, Persian forces struggled to maintain their hold over the Greek mainland. At the Battle of Mycale, Greek forces achieved another victory, pushing the Persians back across the Aegean. Clip 15. Athens rebuilt following the Persian retreat. Athens undertook the task of reconstruction. Despite the destruction, this period saw advancements in culture and governance, setting the stage for the golden age of Athens. Clip 16. The Delian League in response to the Persian threat. Athens formed the Delian League, an alliance of city-states united to protect against future Persian aggression. This marked a significant step in cooperative defense and economic growth. Clip 17. The Peace of Callias after years of conflict. A peace treaty known as the Peace of Callias was brokered. This agreement marked the end of open hostilities between Greece and Persia, capping years of war with promises of mutual respect for their borders. Clip 18. The legacy of the wars. The Persian Wars left an enduring legacy on Greek society. They fueled a sense of identity and unity, proving that small, divided states could unite against a common foe. This era of cooperation fostered the flowering of Greek culture and democracy. Clip 19. The role of religion in warfare. Religion played a pivotal role in the Persian Wars. Greek commanders often relied on omens and divine messages to guide battle strategies. The divine favor was deemed critical for achieving victory. Clip 20. The Spartan contribution. Spartans were renowned for their military prowess. Their discipline and bravery were crucial in crucial battles like Thermopylae, demonstrating their role as vital players in the defense of Greek independence. Clip 21. Cultural exchange and influence. Despite being adversaries, the Greeks and Persians influenced each other culturally. Trade and interactions sparked exchanges in art, science, and philosophy, creating a bridge across the Aegean. Clip 22. The Persian perspective. From the Persian side, the wars were about asserting dominance and quelling rebellious subjects. Over time, the conflict strained resources and highlighted the difficulties in maintaining control over a vast empire. Clip 23. Women in the Persian Wars. Although less documented, women played roles in supporting the war effort, from managing households to serving as healers. Their contributions, though not as celebrated, were crucial to sustaining the fight. Clip 24. The aftermath of war. In the aftermath of the wars, Greece found itself at a crossroads. The unity formed against Persia soon fragmented, leading to new power struggles among the city-states, which foreshadowed future conflicts. Clip 25. The evolution of warfare. The Persian Wars saw significant military developments, from dawn warfare tactics to innovations in shipbuilding. The wars pushed Greek military technology forward, influencing future military strategies worldwide. Clip 26. Commemoration and myth-making. The wars birthed legendary stories and myths that inspired generations. From tales of heroic stands to divine interventions, these narratives became integral parts of Greek culture and identity.